Good thing to take camping is the old Jaffle iron. They come in round or square ones. This one's pretty old, but it has an added feature that you can take that off. So first we just got to drag a few coals out of the fire. Now you can cook all sorts of things in the Jaffle iron. You just need a couple of bits of bread, butter, last night's dinner, you name it. But I'm going to cook a egg with a few other things. So yeah, put a bit of butter in there. Just let it coat all the way around. Now we'll break an egg. Give it a bit of a stir. Now I'm going to add some ham. Celery. Starting to overflow. I'll see if I can fit it all in. That's about it. So we'll put this on the coals. And I'll put the top on to let it steam. So we'll let that cook. You can pour the egg into on top of the bread and cook it that way, but if you don't get it right, it can look really nice on the outside, but you bite into it and you get running egg all over your face, which is no fun, especially if you've got a moustache. Yeah, well, the egg's just about cooked. Now I'm going to put a bit of pepper and salt. To move it out, it's a bit hot there. You see the egg's not fully cooked, but it should cook in the bun. Bit of tomato sauce. And cheese. I haven't got any bread with me, so I'm going to use the bread roll, which works as well. Might be a bit of a squash in there. Yes, one thing it gets a bit stuck sometimes. That's better. So we got the egg come out, and we'll put this on there. It's going to be a bit of a squash. So now, basically just shave off all the outer bits. You can keep them and eat them as while you're waiting. we put him back on the fire. So we'll just have a look at it. Yeah, well that side is pretty much cooked. So on that side, well, we'll give that a little bit of a burst. So this is looking very nice and golden brown. So, coming up, one Jaffle.